Morning.
Donna, where you leave them here so early, Donna? You don't say here, Donna. Where you talking about? Four.
The way I call my name, Pa. Don't call me name in vain.
Why we are calling him?
Don't call me name in vain.
Listen. May I carry
Good morning.
May I carry my kids up for
Hold
breakfast?
on. Which one?
No, don't tell her nothing, please.
No.
Yeah.
I didn't know somebody.
Eileen's sister.
Stop.
This is one of my first cousins, but I don't own her.
Which one is?
That's my last son. That's his wife, Shaquille. China son.
I would have passed him, I never know him. Remember when he was a baby?
Yep. He's still a baby. How are you doing this morning, Jacoba? Yes.
Morning.
So yeah, you breakfast and you don't even offer me none. I tell you about to buy breakfast. Somebody will buy me. Good morning.
Yeah.
What would be considered
Food is yam, banana, sweet potato.
Yeah.
Root vegetable. What are those?
You guys don't have corned beef, right?
No. Now put on some bacon.
Yeah, we're gonna go there again.
Hi.
I mean, me and the kids tear them down, so I don't know what you're coming.
How much you got, Chuck?
I have 4.
How much you have
There's
left?
2 in the house.
That should be good though.
Yes, yeah.
3,
That should be good.
6, 8.
Yeah, that's good.
But you say you only have how much in the house?
2?
And so 2 more, sir. And that'll be 1 piece for thing, or you want more than one?
Just grab 2 more.
2 more bun?
Yeah.
No, not too much.
No, I like it. I like a lot of cheese on mine. But I got 2 more.
So me and you get that.
Yeah.
We got some Americanized food for the kids. Pancakes, eggs, bacon, some boiled roots. Oh, you got the same thing, old man?
Yeah.
My mom got collard.
Lady got some callaloo
And I think this is yours, Michelle.
breadfruit, plantain, yam.
It may be yours, over easy.
I just got some eggs, plantain, dumplings, bacon. Okay, sexy.
So it's Sunday. It's Misha's birthday today. We decided that we're gonna try to go out to this famous place out here in Treasure Beach called Pelican Bar. So when we go out there, you got to take one of these little boats. You might see one behind us. So I'll show you them.
Yeah.
But, yeah, we're gonna take one of these boats down to the Pelican Bar. There's a little beach over there. We're gonna hang out and then get some food. So it should be a good little day for Misha's birthday.
I don't know. I don't think there's a beach over there. It's a bar in the middle of, like, pretty much in the middle of the ocean. Now you can't get there without getting on a boat. So one of Shaq's dad's friends is gonna take us over by boat to the bar. And there's some area where you can, it's like shallow, you can walk around in the water and stuff, and they make food and stuff. Yeah, swim. They make food and stuff like that. So taking the family over there.
So these are the little boats that we're gonna take. These are the boats that we're gonna take. Single Yamahas on them. I think they're 40 horsepower is what they use. They use these to slide it up on the beach. Or they tie them off in the water right there. Yeah, as you can see, they typically just run single engines. And I think all I've seen out here is Yamaha. And I think I've seen maybe like 1 or 2 Honda motors, but all Yamahas is what I mainly see. Man, look at that view. Woo! Here we go with the birthday girl.
I'm having withdrawals from being out on our boat right now. It smells like, I don't know. If you go out fishing and stuff, you know what it smells like. It smells like seawater. Not fishy, but like you can smell just the ocean. I'm definitely going on the boat when we come back home.
We're missing it. We're missing the boat.
David, you tell your people them.
They've gone by it, and I don't know about it. 1, 2, 3, 2.
Come again. 1, 2, 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, all right.
And this is the mishaps. The water is strong. I gotta push this back in here, but I'll wait for Shaq. Actually, let me ask him now. It got stuck in the sand. Thank you.
Come on. One, two, three, go. Yes, on the tree headed and all. They got the tree. Run it. Same way. Don't stop. Don't use up.
Crazy how they get around here. Look at this. I'll get them in a minute.
Where we are.
Sure.
It's dark, right? That's what I said, Cammy. It looks like a carpet on top of the water.
Yeah.
Oh my God, we're gonna have to name it something different.
You excited?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. Yes. I'm ready.
You gonna get in the water and swim?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
You know I am. So.
Is it shallow?
now we run into our family again. All the way out in the middle of the ocean. We still find them.
Hey, we don't want to fire the camera now. Okay,
I can take her back when I get up there.
Watch your toes.
Just be careful of where you're going. Hey.
Take a picture of me and my cousin dancing. Have been. Laugh. You better laugh. You better laugh.
A bunch of pictures and stuff like that, like edit and stuff like that.
I feel like I might have them. Maybe.
I think I paid like $65, almost $100 a year. Like, forgot to cancel it and then it renewed.
So did you guys enjoy the Pelican Bar? What'd you get?
Yeah.
Is the chicken good? Some good chicken.
Fried chicken and fries. Yeah.
I got barbecue wings, plantain, and fries.
Was it good? Pretty good so far. As you see, it seems to come to be a trend on our channel. We're running from storms.
Hey, Shaq, you said the water clean out here now?
But the water's clear. Yeah, I got it. Keep about died out here. We're alright though. We're alive. We're here in the wilderness.
We're heading back home.
Tell us about our day. What we do so far?
Hey guys, here we are, third day of our adventure.
Alright, he has to speak up. So I guess
Okay.
they're about to show us how to haul a fish pot in Jamaica. So let's see what we do. Dad, I want to be able to get back there. That rope looks like it's made out of sea. Alright, just watch. They got some lobster.
And a crab. See them?
Yeah. Alright, so that's
Ready to go back over.
Wow.
How long has that one been in the water? Huh? How long has that one been in the water? Probably a week or so. I don't know how long since in all this.
alright, so we're gonna pull one more pot to see if we can see what they got. They got more fish in it.
Right, one like that, you don't have no pot. You want one.
Jack, you know you weigh a lot, right?
Snapper in there and a crab.
Ready?
That's how they the fishermen make their money out here. Drop the pots down. They leave them for like 7 days and then they come back and come get them and take the fish and sell them. That is the work.
What was that? What is that? Oh, thanks, Shaq, for dumping all of it on me.
What kind of crab is it?
Bring it up to you. Bring it up.
Y'all need my help?
No, no. Thank you.
What are you doing? Are you gonna stay for a time?
Slowing.
Well, let's go. One more up here. Everybody take time on.
Nobody move. Nobody move.
Oh, yeah.
One more. One more. See that? One more. You want that? Because if you don't have them yet. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, we make them go back in.
Yeah. Thank you. We're going right along. Guy gonna take some.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
You ready?
One.
Let's not balance. Put it up. One. You're straighten up first.
No, you get that one. Right?
Yeah.
One, two, well, that's it. One, two, three. Just one bit, and get out there. One in. Oh, nice. Ah, cute. Nice.
All right, Ken
Yes.
Dog. Thank you.
Yes, my brother. Blessings, you know.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Thank you for taking us out. And
Yes, safe and sound. Everything was so nice.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, yeah. Man.
so that's how you used to go in the sea?
Yep.
Yeah. Boy.
What an upgrade you have now.
Grandpa.
This is a two-stroke, right? Yeah.
Yes. This engineer is about
Because of that, the rope don't cut it off.
So you pull the pots over there on the
Yeah.
PVC?
And then you broke it
Yeah,
down
yeah,
and hold it
it's
down
alright.
here. Then
Yeah.
you find where you want to put it back in. Shape it, push it back again.
You bought it brand new? No.
All right, well, today was a fun day, as you guys have seen. We also got some footage of us coming to Jamaica, exploring around and seeing some other things.
My brother.
So we're gonna go ahead and close this video out. Just want to say thank you for coming. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, thank you to all the people that are supporting us. It really makes a difference and means so much to us. This trip, I would say for sure, means a lot to us, being able to spend time with family. We didn't really show too much family stuff with like all of our family, but it was like a big family reunion pretty much.
Yeah.
Lots of cousins, uncles, aunts. Today everyone's kind of like half of the family has pretty much gone back home, and well, the people that live in the US have traveled back safely. So we have a couple of days where we're gonna be here exploring the island a little bit. We'll get some footage of that to show you guys, but today was nice, relaxing for my birthday. It was nice to be able to get on a boat for my birthday because I miss our boat. But yeah, I think it was it was nice. The kids loved it and enjoyed it. So
Yeah, it's definitely a big difference in the way that they go out compared to how we go out.
yeah,
But you can definitely tell that the culture down here lives by the sea, and that's kind of how they make their money, pulling
Yeah.
these pots and doing it on, smaller boats, which is, to me, it's crazy and kind of scary to know what they pull up and how they live around here doing that, and then to see what we do in America. Just humbling, eye-opening and humbling.
yeah. It makes you really appreciate. I mean, down here, people, they aren't in a rush for many things, and that's the beauty of it. I feel like we get caught up sometimes back home, just not rushing, but kind of rushing compared to here. Here they take their time, even with fishing.
Yeah.
They put the pots down and wait a couple days, it seems like, come back and
I think
pull it up.
they do it for about a week.
Yeah.
Let them sit for about a week and then go pull them. So.
Whereas we're just dropping lines and pulling up. We even get frustrated after about an hour or two we didn't catch anything, whereas an hour or two to them is like, why are you even going back and pulling that up, you know?
Exactly.
So it's like, just makes you realize and think sometimes it's nice to slow down and just enjoy every moment.
Indeed.
Yeah.
All right, catch you guys next video. Come on, picnic.